Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Sikandar. I'm going to explain on the vocabulary of editorial Islamophobia NY, published on December 17th, 2021. Let's get started now. Number one is Islamophobia. It means irrational fear of, aversion to, or discrimination against Islam or people who practice Islam. Number two is NY. This is noun. It means emissary. Second meaning is a person who represents a government or an organization and is sent as a representative to talk to other governments and organizations. Example, the recent bill passed in the US calling for the appointment of a special envoy to monitor and combat Islamophobia as a positive development. Number three is aftermath. This is noun. It means nataj, after effect. Second meaning is the situation that exists as a result of an important and usually unpleasant event, especially a war, an accident, etc. Example, how does a country cope with the aftermath of war? Number four is ensue. This is verb. It means बाद में वाक़या होना. Follow. Second meaning is to happen after as a result of another event. Example, the evils that ensued were the direct result of the miscalculations of the leaders. Number five is bigot. This is noun. It means कट्टर मजहबी आदमी. Dogmatist. Second meaning is a person who has very strong, unreasonable beliefs or opinions about race, religion, or politics, and who will not listen to or accept the opinions of anyone who disagrees. Example, he was labeled a bigot after making some offensive comments. Number six is call for something. This is phrasal verb. It means मुतालबा करना या मांगना, to need something. Example, the situation calls for prompt action. Number seven is combat. This is verb. It means लड़ना या सामना करना. Fight. Second meaning is to fight against enemy. Example, the security forces were unwilling to combat the insurgents. Number eight is combat. This is noun. It means लड़ाई या जंग. Battle. Second meaning is fighting or a fight, especially during a time of war. Example, he was killed in a combat. Number nine is ambivalence. This is noun. It means दो जज्बी रुझान का होना. The state of having contradictory or conflicting emotional attitudes. Example, many people feel some ambivalence towards television and its effect on our lives. Number 10 is taunt. ये verb है noun. As a verb, it means ताना देना या तंज करना. Hustle. Second meaning is to try to make somebody angry or upset by saying unkind things about them, laughing at their failures, etc. Example, the other children taunted him with nicknames. Number 11 is rampant. This is adjective. It means बढ़ता हुआ या जोरों पर. Unrestrained. Second meaning is growing in profusion. Example, unemployment is now rampant in most of Europe. Number 12 is perpetrate. This is a verb. It means किसी जुर्म का irtikab करना. Accomplish. Second meaning is commit an offense. Example, only an insane person could perpetrate such a horrible crime. Number 13 is geopolitics. This is noun. It means geographiai siyasat. The political relations between countries and groups of countries in the world as influenced by the geography. Second meaning is the study of these relations. Example, technology companies like to operate as though their products transcend geopolitics. Number 14 is virulently. This is adverb. It means जहरीलेपन से या तलखी से, in a way that show strong, negative and bitter feelings. Example, they remain virulently opposed to any kind of compromise deal. Number 15 is atrocious. This is adjective. It means aziyatnak ya zalim, terrible. Second meaning is very cruel and making you feel shocked. Third meaning is very bad or unpleasant. Example, Israel's atrocious treatment of the Palestinians certainly falls within the description of anti-Muslim violence. Number 16 and last is egregious. This is adjective. It means intahai napasandida. Notorious. Second meaning is conspicuously bad or shocking. Example, it is hoped the American anti-Islamophobia NY calls out these egregious violations.